All right, here's another Allman Brothers classic for you. This is Blue Sky. We're going to start out with this riff. Okay, so that was 7. This is the E major pentatonic scale. So we're starting on the 7 on the E. So that was 9-11 to 9-11 there. 9 on the G. And that was middle finger, 11 to 13 on the G. 12-14 on the B. Little 12. So let's look at that again. We got 12 to 14, and then you can either do like a slide down, or sometimes I like to do like a downward bend on that 11 to the 9. So you got do it again. And then we have a little double riff here. So that one goes 7 to 9 on the B. Down to the 7 to 5, back to 7, 5, and then an E chord. Okay, and then the other one is a lower. So G string, 7 to 9. We're going to use the 6 instead of the 5 on that one. So that'd be if you want to play them at the same time. Okay, then our verse starts. So we got E to B, A to E, E to B again, and then 2 bars of A. Okay, so E to B, 2 beats each, A to E, E to B again, and then A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So 2 bars of that, and then we have this. Okay, so we got a little bend on the 10 on the second string. Take it down, go to the 9, and then 11, 9 on the G. 11, 9, 11, 7. So. And then you have a little riff only in the beginning here. So 7, 9 on the A, and then 7 on the D. Da-dum, da. So. Okay, and then the lower one of that is going to be. Okay, it does that little riff with it. So we have 11 on the G. Take it down to the 9, 11, 9, 11, 9, and then 11 to 7. And then big 7, 9. 7's down there in the A. So. Okay, then a new verse starts. E to B, A to E, E to B, 2 bars of A. Now we have this next part. We're going to go. Okay, so big 7, 9, 7, and then like a 9 to 7. You can pull it if you want. Slide to the 11 up there. So, and then we're gonna go. So that was G string 9, 11, B string 9, half step bend and down to that 9 on the G. So. Okay, and the harmony part of that is. Okay, so that was 7 to 9 on the A. We're going to use 6 and 9 on the D. You can kind of do that same thing you did on the other one. Kind of a pull off and a slide. Go to the 9 on the G. So you could also find that 6 over here and that 11 if you want to do that different. And then we have 9 on the B. 9, 10, 12. Gonna bend the 12 up and down, go to the 9 when you're done. And we'll be in a chorus there. So once again, that harmony was. Now our chorus is gonna be B to the A, E to the A, B to A again, E to A again, and then 2 more beats on the A, F sharp minor 7, which is all the 2s with a 4 on the A string. And then the solo is E to A, and the solo, the scale that you would use is the E major pentatonic for the most part, but you also could use the E major hexatonic, which the Allman Brothers use a lot, which is the 5-note pentatonic major scale, but we can add that A into it because we have that A chord, right? And the A note is not represented in the E major pentatonic scale. So you hear that in their sound a lot. They'll use that. Okay, so they'll throw that A in with the E major pentatonic scale. So think about those scales when you're soloing over this. We got E. Maybe give that a little try. I'll keep these chords going. Definitely listen to, I believe it's Dickie Betts' solo on that one. So get some ideas and everything. Then they get into a cool harmony thing. We're gonna go. Okay, so it's 9s and 11s. This one's starting on the D string. This is the lower one. And you can use hammer-ons and pull-offs with this too to make it go a little smoother, faster and stuff. So that's your first measure. And then the next one's, that's the first half of measure. And then the second half is. So. And then. And then we're going to go to this lower 9 on the A. Okay, so the first half of that is just like the first one was. Now the second one was. So the second half of this is. So instead of going to a lower note like the other one did, we're just come back into that 11 right there. So the whole thing here is. And then we come in a second time, the ending is going to be a little different. Okay, that walks us into a new thing there, so it's going to be the last part is. And then a triplet, 11, 9, 9. So the whole thing is. Now let's look at the harmony of that. It's going to be. So it's all the same types of ups and downs. We just have this 9, 11, and we have that 9 and that 10, that A I was talking about. Okay, so it's all the same. It's in harmony, so they're all kind of doing the same movements. The second half of this part is starting on the D string. Okay, and then we do the whole thing again with a different ending coming up. So that's going to be 12 on the A, 11 on the D, 9 on the G. Okay, then once we finish these parts, we got the. That's when we get into the first harmony part. And it won't have that little extra riff at the end. And the harmony on that again was. Now we're into a new verse. E to B, A to E, E to B, 2 bars of A. Now we have that other harmony part, the one. Okay, so once again, that was. Okay, and the harmony starts here in this 7. That takes us into the chorus again, B to A, E to A, B to A, E to A. 2 beats on that A. You got that F sharp minor 7. It holds longer that time, and he sings a little bit extra with it. And then we have the intro again. And then we have that double thing. That one has an extra, this is kind of the A chord right here, so it has an extra A, and then you have the final E. Okay, so real quick synopsis here. Twice, and then E chord. And then we go through a verse, and then we have our harmony on that was. And they both have that little kind of tag. So then we have a verse, then we have that goes with. And then chorus, you got your F sharp minor, like I said, the solo, we got. And then we got the. Okay, and the harmony of that other part was. All right, Blue Sky, Allman Brothers, more great Allman Brothers stuff. 2 pages of tabs on this. Hope you all dug it. Thanks a lot.